If you've been wanting to look into GA4 for a while, watch this video. It's actually easier than you think, it's got more functionality, and you can get better analysis. Google Analytics 4 is Google's newest analytics product that you will most likely replace Universal Analytics with. There are great reasons to start shifting over to GA4. Let me walk you through them. Number one, you can now track across both your web and your app. Previously, you had to use Google Analytics for your website tracking and Firebase for your app tracking. Now you can do it all together in one place. Number two, enhanced measurements based on events. Previously, GA just tracked basic events automatically, and anything else had to be set up manually in GA and in Google Tag Manager. In fact, in the old GA, everything was really just a hit and events for a type of hit. But that gets really complicated really fast. While you will still need to create custom events to get the most out of GA4, it does have more available measurements out of the box, such as scrolling, outbound, in-links, document link clicks, and website searches. Also, you, the marketers, can now check more without the need for developers to help you set everything up as a custom event. Number three, pathways. This allows you to better visualize the customer journey and understand the flow users take on your website. You can now get a better grasp of how they get to your final conversion point and create hypotheses on how to optimize those steps. You could even work backwards from a conversion point and build the conversion journey that way. Number four, custom reports have become explorers, which are much more user-friendly, and you can easily choose segments to work with, and then add dimensions and metrics, which is sort of just enables simpler, more flexible analysis. Listen, this isn't a huge difference in functionality, but it's easier to use. Number five, GA4 now offers a free BigQuery export. In Universal Analytics, you had to upgrade to GA360 in order to get the raw data out, which is, as you know, very expensive. You can now export raw event level data for free to BigQuery, which is great news for all of you out there who works with your data in your data warehouse. The entry of GA4 is a fantastic opportunity to review your entire tracking setup and really dig into if what you have matches your strategic KPI plan. In summary, GA4 is easier and slightly more powerful than GA. In other words, it is lowering the barrier for marketers to make use of their marketing data. But don't just switch right over from GA to GA4. Run both at the same time and see which insight and interface you prefer. But keep in mind that GA4 is where Google is spending their time, energy, and money improving. So don't be surprised if GA4 begins leaving the old GA in the dust. This is it for this week's Sandstorm Digital Tip. Thank you.